Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Green Cove Springs local and long distance movers near me. Green Cove Springs local TM Movers is known for handling local relocations. 3 Movers is at the top of the list of movers in Green Cove Springs with excellent service. The familiarity of handling numerous relocations within this city has grown our insights into the best routes and relocation processes. If you try relocating yourself, you may need to pack items little by little. Driving to and fro multiple items will increase how much you spend on relocation. With 3 Movers, you'll enjoy a seamless move in one go. Long-distance movements are usually more complex because you'll cross county, state, or even country borders with your items. Even regular FL movers can't handle all types of long-distance relocation. Among the few Green Cove Springs movers in 2023 that can handle long distance, 3 Movers stands out. We provide you with experienced staff, sound equipment, and suitable materials to keep your belongings safe through the journey. Also, Green Cove Springs Long Distance 3 Movers team will expertly load the items and still use tapes and ropes to keep them firm. Finally, 3 Movers also offers insurance protection policy on belongings we help you transport. It's almost unlikely that we damage or misplace your property, but on the off chance, we have an insurance policy to restore any lost or damaged items. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Green Cove Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.